Heads up for everyone watching this video, all the links used here will be available in the description below. First of all, we'll have to download Neo4j Community Server Edition. Simply go to this link that has been noted down below. Then go to Windows Executable, download this zip file. Click on it. Zip file has been downloaded for us. Next, we'll have to open it to show it in the folder. We want to install this Neo4j Community Server right where we need it to be. So in this case, I'll be putting it into the data drive, where I have created a folder called Neo4j/server. Once you have copied the zip file over here, right-click on it and click Extract Here. This will be the folder where we'll be hosting everything related to our Neo4j server. Here, you can double-click on this, and then we will be installing APOC core. That will be necessary for our Neo4j server later on, and also its plugins NeoDash. Simply go to Labs. You'll see the APOC core is available here. Click on it, right-click, and select Copy. Then head back to the plugin folder. Right-click here and click Paste. Now APOC core is available for us. Last but not least, we'll need to install NeoDash for ourselves. In this case, we'll have to use git command, one of the program that has just been installed by Git for us. Simply go here, type git command cmd, click on this one, and then from here we need to navigate to the Neo4j server folder that we have just created, that is in the D drive. So simply type cd change directory into our D drive, and then we need to go to Neo4j server. Now that we are here, this link for NeoDash will also be available down in the description. Simply copy the entire link, go to the command prompt, type git clone, and then followed by the address, paste it over, and click enter. Now NeoDash will be cloning onto our computer and will be available for us to use. After it's finished, you can double check its existence by going to the Windows Explorer, going into our D drive, Neo4j server, and you will see NeoDash is now available here. Now NeoDash is not done installing because it also has its dependencies for installation. Navigate into NeoDash. Then in here, since we already have yarn, type yarn install. Now yarn will be installing all the dependencies packages that NeoDash requires. This will take a while. With the magic of video editing, we have finished installing it within less than a second. In real life, this one took my computer over 2 minutes. So now NeoDash has been finished installing. We're now moving on to the next step, where we'll be configuring our computer so that other computers can access the Neo4j server as well as NeoDash from their computer.